Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a quick and easy recipe using my Ninja air fryer or Ninja grill. So if you guys are ready, let's get started. So for this recipe we are using a whole chicken, and this chicken is about 4 pounds and it's already washed, and we are going to go ahead and start seasoning our chicken. So we are going to season our chicken with rosemary garlic seasoning blends, and you want to season your chicken everywhere, as you guys can see over here. And then we are going to add about 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, 2 teaspoons of sour cream and onion seasoning, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of everglades seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1.5 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. And you want to go ahead and mix everything together, as you guys can see over here. So after mixing your chicken, you want to go ahead and let it rest. Now we are going to move on to our Ninja grill. So over here I'm turning on my Ninja grill and I'm setting it to 400 on air crisp. Of course I skipped the preheat because I didn't want to heat the thing. So we went ahead and added our food. So you want to go ahead and cook it for 20 minutes, and over here I'm checking, it's halfway, almost there, and it looks like this. So I flipped it over, guys, and I'm going to go ahead and close it up again and cook it again for the rest of the minutes. So over here, guys, I ended up reducing the heat because I felt like my chicken was cooking too faster. So I put it at 360 and then I cooked it for the rest of the time, and this is how it looks like. So I'm going to leave everything in the description below, how I cook this chicken and the temperature time. And of course I serve it with this rice over here, and that's how you eat it. This food was so good, guys. I just want to say thank you for watching this channel, for subscribing. If you like these videos like this, please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.